lovely weather to start off the work week across South Africa. Lots of sunshine, very warm temperatures, especially over the western part of the country, but spring conditions, but without those thunderstorms in the forecast. Now, along the coastline, it's actually a very beautiful day on Monday. A few people still enjoying the last few days of the school holidays. Port Elizabeth at 25, a few clouds overhead here with an easterly wind of up to 35 kilometres per hour. You'll see that easterly wind all the way through to East London. A pleasant day other than that gusting easterly wind, and a high of 26 with fine and dry weather. And then lastly in Durban, you'll also see a bit of cloud overhead, especially into Monday evening, with the maximum temperature of 26 with light to moderate northeasterly winds. A bit of fog started off the day over the far northeastern part of South Africa, but you'll see that clearing out as we head into the second part of the day. A predominantly sunny day is expected across South Africa, hot temperatures over the western parts, and then we'll see that evening cloud move in over the eastern part of the country. No rain expected across South Africa for today, a dry day across the country on Monday. The SA Weather Service have issued a high fire danger warning, and that's with the runaway fires possible over parts of the northern and western Cape. Here's a look at your weather forecast in detail across the country with those warm temperatures in the northeast. 30 degrees for Phalaborwa, 28 for Bombela, Polokwane and Johannesburg. Omelo warming up to 26, and a hot day for Vryburg at 35 degrees. 32 as we head towards Bloemfontein, 33 for Kumani, 27 with a mostly clear and warm day for Pietermaritzburg with Vryheid matching that daytime high. Here are those maximum temperatures that peak in the mid-20s along the coast with a strong easterly wind for East London, and along the east coast we're expecting a 1.5 metre southeasterly swell at 6 seconds. It'll be a toasty day over the southern parts, just shy of 40 in Outram, a scorching hot 43 degrees for Vredendal, 37 for Robertson and Graafrenet. Warm as we head towards the coastline, mostly clear for Jeffreys Bay and Mossel Bay at 27 degrees, with a southeasterly wind for Plettenberg Bay and Mossel Bay. More of an easterly though for Cape Agulhas and Jeffreys Bay, with light winds in the forecast for Muizenberg and Hermanus at 34 and 28, with a 2.5 metre southeasterly swell at 8 seconds. 38 for Uppington and Prieska, 37 as we head towards Calvinia, with Colesberg expecting a mostly clear day at 32. Cape Town at a sizzling 36 in the City Bowl with a light westerly wind. You'll see a moderate southerly wind for Alexander Bay and a high of 21. Lambert's Bay 27 with a light wester and a 1.5 metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. On Tuesday, we're expecting sunny weather to continue for parts of the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. A break in the heat for the Western Cape, but still warm, and you'll see temperatures remaining in the upper 20s and 30s for most weather stations across South Africa on Wednesday, and things continue to heat up as the week continues with dry weather persisting. Sunny and hot for KwaZulu-Natal with cloudy weather, resulting in cooler conditions for the Western Cape. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Stay with us for further updates.